Hurricane hype leaves U.S. East Coast all wet. August is normally dull for news. Thank goodness for Irene. Reporters braved winds to bring you the latest in hurricane hype, leaving viewers all wet. Irene also gave politicians a chance to look good for the cameras. Wow, look at Michael Bloomberg do his mayoral thing. Across the river, Christie looked the man in charge, and dare we say, presidential?
Get the hell off the beach in Asbury Park and get out.
Christie also weighed in with his own evacuation orders. Hurricane hype set off panic buying at area stores, providing a big boost to some businesses. But it hurt New York City's food and beverage and tourism industries. A mass transit shutdown a full day before the storm left passengers frustrated. Was Bloomberg overcompensating for something? Meanwhile, Typhoon Nanmadol hit Taiwan on Sunday. It's one of many we expect to see this year. Pardon us if we don't get as excited.
想成为我们的动画人物吗？相关资讯请上脸书 Get Animated. Find out more on Facebook.